So anyway, we have created lots of files before itself, so we can choose any one of it. I just now created these 3 files, but it is empty, so I can choose it. Otherwise, we will create one new one. For new file, we need to click this icon, and then I'm just going to name as isometric. And then, as usual, you need to select the 2D seed, and then click open and save it. It will be saved, and then you need to select that actually, and then you need to open it. So it will open a new file, with the name of isometric. You can just maximize it, and you can toggle off second view, and you will be available with this. And as usual, to switch off the grid, the shortcut is F8. Yeah, sometimes it won't work, means you need to click the cursor inside and then okay. F8 for grid, okay. Now we can able to draw isometric drawings. So isometric drawing in the sense, it will be having okay. Normally, isometric drawing, it will be having included angle of 60 degree, like from outside. Okay, and in this manner also, it will be having another 60 degree. So included angles always 120. So we must not consider included angle, we must consider the 60 degree. So we have a length, okay, so for example, this is a cube of 5 unit everywhere. So this length 5 and angle you have 60. So how you will draw this in Microstation, we will see. You can just take line and you have a length of, you can click somewhere and you can put a length of 5 and angle of how much? 60 degree. Okay, so it will go that way. 60, no. I think it should be 30. Yeah, it should be 30 in that case, not 60. So 30 outside, this way also 30. So isometric drawings having included angle of 30 degree here, like angle of 30 degree outside and included angle of 120. So totally, if you are calculating, it comes 180. So this one, so we must put 30 in that case. So it will come. So it came this way, and again you need to right click it, and here you need to find again the angle. This must be like 120 plus 30, 150. So I am putting 5 and then 150 like this. And here you can directly put. Okay, and you can just copy it and then you can place. I'm just selecting this and I'm just going for copy from here to here. Escape 1. So everywhere, whenever you want to escape, you need to click escape 1.
You copy together few days.
Yeah, you just select control, hold control,
okay.
And then you select both,
okay.
And then just click copy,
Okay.
And then you just put base point and then the destination point. Control. Okay, and then I'm just going to copy this one, just to go for copy from this point to this point and also here. Okay, and again I'm just going for copying this one. Escape 1. So escape 1 is important. Whenever you want to escape, you need to put escape 1 and then copy. Escape 1. Okay, we have created this one. but we didn't like use isometric tools at all. We are using only the standard tools.
Okay.
Okay, if you want in between circle, we have only this circle. If you are drawing this circle, see it won't be like a isometric circle. So we have isometric circle separately. For that we must have the toolbox. That we will discuss later. Now what we can do means we first activate the isometric snaps or isometric tools. For that you need to click this log icon and then you need to select isometric. Once you selected isometric, like when you're drawing line, it will automatically go isometric.
Okay.
Okay, now you can easily draw. No need to put angle at all. 5 and then right click and this way 5 right click. Now you need to click there. 5 and then right click. Left click and then right click. Okay. I think this not came correct. I'm putting 5. Okay. Now if you want to so this log isometric you clicked it and you need to click full also. In full you are having isometric top view and left or right view. You need to select left and then go for a drawing a 5 and accept for just type 5 and enter and click outside so it will accept. This way it is going 5. If you are taking top and then I'm just going for a, I think you can switch off association. I'm just switching off. Now it could be better because association also there. Okay. Now I'm just going to draw 5 and enter, click right and then 5 this way, enter and then click right click. 5, enter. Just 5, enter, 5, so smart lock we activated and then 5, and then 5, enter, click, right click. It not came correct. You can just select the length of 5 so it won't change. Okay, right click, and then this like this. Okay, and you can, now it won't go. This is for top, and even you can put for left also. So like this. So now we have created isometric easily, but using these options.
Then go to right or the other area.
Which area? If you want to draw, see, if you want to do this way, for example, I'm right. I can go, and I can select a See, right in the sense going only these two.
Okay. This
So,
node rotated.
now for left you can go like this. Because we selected this one, you know, it is fixed now. Now again I'm going for right. This one is easier, you know, like this you can able to create this isometric views. Now again you can go for left. Now if you want top, you can put top. And then again left. So like this you can able to draw the isometric things. Now comes the iso circle. For that you can go for Control T. I was telling Control T for toolbars, and then there you can able to type just isometric I. So I for isometric, you know, isometric toolbars. You just click it and then you click OK. And it will come. Only these two it will be available. Place block or place circle. Now we already placed blocks. We can go for circle. Just select the circle, and then if you want, you can just draw a line here first. 1 minute. I'm just drawing a line here. Okay. I'm just going to draw a line like this. Okay. Still we don't know the midpoint. Otherwise you can just draw a line here. Now if everywhere we need to draw a circle means you can just go, it is like area solid, full type none, and you can go for drawing circle. But it is a left, you know, like even you can choose stop here. Okay. So what you can put? We can put already it's 5, you know, like it is like coming around 2.16 like that. If you want to put 2, you can put 2, enter and click, and then 2, enter, click inside. Just 2, enter and mouse click inside. If you want something else, circle, now it is coming. If you want 2, enter, escape 1, says nothing is not working. So in that case, yeah, it will work if you are going near. Okay, I am putting a 1.75, enter, click inside. If you want to change also 1.5, enter and click inside. Okay. And now if you don't want the lines, you can delete. In this manner you can able to draw isometric drawings. But AutoCAD it is different. Yeah, there we have IsoSnap. Yeah, here we have this kind of feature. Okay.
Okay, then I can move to the line top place.
This
Normal drawing.
If you want to move back,
Yes.
isometric to you can go for axis, and then you can switch off isometric.
Access is the normal.
Now you will be having these things. Axis in the sense it will go only horizontally or vertically.
Vertically.
This is similar to ortho mode.
Ortho mode. Okay.
So now if you want to draw a line here,
Okay.
enter, click outside, enter, click outside. No. So I'm just drawing a 10. So just click with mouse. This thing you can draw directly. That is axis. Otherwise, if you want grid, you can go for grid. So normally it is like it is on grid only.
Grid.
But because of this Acudra, it will go like this. Even it will go like this.
Okay.
That snapping, you remember, like yeah. For that, we need to go for O, so we can make some for this origin. Yeah.
O means origin.
Origin. So it will consider that as origin, and you can go for thing. Otherwise, if you are drawing something from here, okay, I'm just entering. Again, if you want to drag it, do you remember that snap setting?
Snap.
You need to put enter. See, just to put enter. So that is for smart lock, and you are getting this line. You can just select this. It will come there. Okay. Again, I will tell. If I go like this, enter. I'm just putting some value. If I just want this one, you need to keep that horizontally, and you need to enter. After smart lock, you need to select like this, the extension line, it will come. Okay, see, sometimes this midpoint is coming, so you can easily work, but here you can't select. So in between here, so for that you need to put this one, near snap point. And you can use any of it. See, here also the perpendicular is not coming. Perpendicular, sometimes it will come. If not coming, you can use perpendicular. So that option. Again, I am just using this near snap point. It will come automatically perpendicular. But sometimes here, if I am using the perpendicular, it won't show. Okay, so it won't show perpendicular. You need to select perpendicular. So you can draw. So like this, only with the snap toolbar. Even it won't be here. If it is not here, how you can take like isometric? You don't know, like Control T, Control T, and then snap. Yes, is for snap. The snap mode, and then click OK, and you can keep this here. Okay, even Control T, isometric, and then click OK. Even that you can have here. So like this, you can able to have all the tools. Normally in this toolbar, you will be having important things like draw tools, modify tools, text tool, these cells like for blocks, and then next dimensioning tools, and then temporary and permanent dimensions. That is different. And this is like selection thing. Now this lock is for here. Here this full option. That is for top, left, right, everything. Okay.
This also is 2D, not a 3D.
This is also 2D, like isometric in the sense.
2D
isometric is like a representation of 3D in a 2D plane.
2D plane.
Okay, because we have x comma y plane. In x comma y plane, we are drawing isometric drawings. For that, it is like that 3D is different. Like we can draw with the z direction also. When you're drawing something in z direction, it is actual 3D. But if you are representing something in XY plane, that is like isometric. Even we also have a perspective view. You can just draw like that, perspective view, 1 point perspective, 2 point perspective. That is, there is no rules and regulations. But for isometric, we must have included angle of 120 or the external angle of 30. Yeah, I forget that I mentioned 60, but actually it is 30. Uh, so this one, 30. And here, here you can able to change the display. Like display style dialog box I'm opening, and you will be having these kind of things, and I'm going to use smooth and display is shaded, new display, or you can put vertical edges. Here it is. See, when you are clicking that smooth, you will be having these things. This is having some kind of rectangle. These kind of options. Other than lines that we are drawing, it is always having that solid fill. So that's why if you want to switch off that, you can go to attributes, view attributes, and you can switch off. But still it is there because we are in a smooth. See, if it is switched off, it won't be visible. Now I am going for wireframe again. If you're clicking outside only, it will be applicable. And now I can go for view attributes, and I can go for fill, and then click outside. Still, this is not applicable.
No, this is not one is smooth and the other one is region.
No, that region is different. Sometimes, like when you're drawing, here it is like area solid, fill type none only it is. But when you are smoothing, it will come.
Yeah.
Okay, now if you are going for opaque and you are drawing, fill is coming.
Okay.
Even for circles also, it is like, see, it is not going. Escape one, and then you can escape
Then
one.
you switch off the fill this out of
It will be off. Yeah. And even you can use this script to change, like we do have in AutoCAD also. Now I'm just going for a switching of it. This is what fill.
Yes.
Okay, that smooth is different. That is automatically coming for a closed objects. So you practice these things, isometric, and then yesterday also you were doing one plan. So you practice these two, so you will be familiarized with the tools.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you can continue over your plan that you was doing yesterday. Cells. So you want cells. Okay. So cells is similar to the blocks that we do have in AutoCAD. Okay, for example, if I want this to be a cell, only you just select it and then element, go for cells. Okay. Now what we need to do is file, new, and you need to put name cells 1 like that. Okay, that is having a extension of .cel, and I'm just putting save, and then you need to put origin. See the origin here, define cell origin. That is here in this
7.
task menu.
7.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
After selecting it, and it is asking for origin. I'm just selecting this as my origin. Once you selected it, it will automatically the create option will come.
Okay.
Before the create option won't come because you didn't select the origin.
Okay.
Now I'm just going to create it. You can create with a name. I'm just going for cube. This is a kind of cube, you know, like iso cube. Even you can mention.
We already named that one, no? For first file name.
No, that is for a folder. That is like folder.
Only. Okay.
This is like files.
Okay.
And I'm just going
the block
to.
name. The cell name.
Okay, I'm just going to create it. See, we created it. And now, if you want to like use this in software, you can just double click it, and you can use wherever you want. For example, I'm just using like this. Yeah. Okay. Otherwise, you can just right click and place. That also you can place. Because this is the origin point, you know, that's why we can able to place like that. So like this, you can create a cells. Okay, like it is similar to the blocks in AutoCAD. If you want to display all cells, you can display all cells. Yesterday also we created, you know, that also it will come. See, if you want to use it, that also you can use it. For example, here you can use, and if you want to mirror, see here itself you have mirror option, and go for vertical, and you can just directly put it. This is not available in AutoCAD. They're also available, but there it is like difficult, a little bit. You can, here it is, yeah, here it is simple. So sometimes this tool also like easy for some kind of works.
That is this is easy.
Yeah. Otherwise you will forget. Yeah. And even difficult to take notes also. See, sometimes we are telling ortho means like origin. So you need to remember this.
Yes.
Yeah. Once you are using the software only, you will be okay.
Okay.
Like even after 1 month also you will forget if you are not using. That's the disadvantage, greatest disadvantage.
AutoCAD looks user friendly.
AutoCAD, yeah, this is not user friendly. What they will be telling means like AutoCAD is like a tool working on a shortcut basis. Even without any icons, you can work on shortcuts.
Okay.
But this Bentley Microstation product is working only on a tool. Otherwise, mouse clicks. So it will be working on tools and mouse clicks, not on shortcuts. But still, it is working on shortcuts also. See, for example, you can just click here.
The latest version.
You can put F8. I am on this, you know, that's why it's not coming.
The off only, the on not.
I think we have drawn something, so it's not working. F8. So this kind of shortcuts we do have here also, but mostly it is working on basis of mouse clicks and then icon. So we can call it is like icon basis, and we can call shortcut basis AutoCAD. And one disadvantage, one advantage we do have means we can have a big file in this Bentley Microstation, and you can easily work. But in AutoCAD, sometimes it will hang. Yeah. So that's why, like you said, Dubai municipality, like that, they will be having a big file.
Also, this very important for GIS.
So this kind of files, it will be huge. So they are preferring Bentley Microstation. ArcGIS. Yeah, I think there is one software on geographical information system. Information system. There is one software, ArcGIS. I don't know. I never used it. Even I don't know it. Yeah. Yeah. Because you're also working in civil 3D parsers, so it could be easy for you to learn ArcGIS software. That software you're using?
No, I'm not using the office. Some people are using.
Okay. Okay. Like you can go for hatch also. Like yesterday we seen a hatch, or else you can go for solid. If you want the solid things, you can go for a solid region. Otherwise, you can go for from file or concrete or something. This flood. So click outside, it will come. This kind of hatch. From file, you can choose. So here you have this one hatch. See dots, everything. But if you need a solid hatch, we have a region here. That region command, create region, and you can go for a fill color of some green or something. And I'm just going for flood. It is deleting here. Thus you need to put keep origin.
I did so many times it's deleting the file.
Yeah. You need to click keep original.
Otherwise, it's automatically.
Because why the fill is not appearing here? Because we also clicked here fill off. Yeah.
That is also.
And if you want some other color, this one is easy for you, or something other than this. Okay, like this, you can able to go for hatching or solid files. Okay. So will you practice?
Yeah, just practicing the cell and the isometric. Other thing.
Okay.